Hello everybody, I'm Sassy with Seasons with Sassy. The reason that we are called Season with Sassy is because I love doing projects and crafts for every single season. And we also talk about the different seasons of life on my website. I have a blog. It's just seasonswithsassy.com if you would like to learn more about our family and the things that we do. As far as this YouTube channel with Seasons with Sassy, you are going to be seeing many DIY videos and just learning different kinds of crafts because I like to collect different kinds of crafting hobbies. And so there are some that I'm really good at, and then there's some that I haven't quite learned yet, but I've been really interested in it. So that is what you're going to be getting from this, is you'll be getting lots of DIY projects, and also you'll be going with me out shopping. I like to go to the dollar store and get my crafts from the dollar store as much as I can because I love saving money. If I can get it for $1, I'm gonna get it for $1. There are some things and some times that I will go to a different store like Hobby Lobby or Joann's to get certain things, but if I do buy something from there, it's always gonna be on sale or at a discount because, you know, we all like saving money. So also, along with the DIY crafts that we're going to be doing and the out shopping posts, I'm going to be posting some ASMR videos because that's just another way of being creative, and that's what this is all about, just different ways of being creative. My kids, who are 14, 12, 9, and I have my nephew, we have a guardianship of him and he's 6. They love watching the ASMR video, and it's all about hearing things that are very satisfying or seeing things that are visually satisfying. If you like cleaning, like that would be somebody spray washing something that's really dirty. That's really satisfying to me to see stuff like that. So again, this channel is all about being creative and about doing things that bring you joy. I love making things. It's very fulfilling to me to make something. And I like upcycling things too. So you might see me bring something home from the dollar store and then I'm going to make it look even better. Something like, I'm gonna do an ornament that I found from the dollar store the other day, and I'm just gonna upscale it a little bit. And so I just love doing things like that, and I hope you do too. If you think you're not creative, everybody has something that will spark some kind of creativity in them. And so the first video that I'm gonna do is a really easy craft. Anybody can do this, and it's really easy, really fun. They're all items from the dollar store, and yeah, we're gonna have so much fun. I'm excited. Please like and subscribe so that you can get lots of different video tutorials